ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు రమ్య ఎడ్యుటెక్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఎవరైతే నా వీడియో కొత్తగా చూస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళందరికీ ఐఎమ్ శ్రీ రమ్య ఈలి అండ్ మన ఛానల్లో స్టూడెంట్ కోసం ఫ్రీగా టెక్ కంటెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను అనమాట. లైక్ సర్టిఫికేషన్స్, ఇంటర్న్షిప్స్, వర్క్షాప్స్, బూట్ క్యాంప్స్, వాట్ నాట్. So if you are interested, please watch my recent videos, and if you like that, please do like, share and subscribe. Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be super useful for all students who are preparing for placements. Do you know that HackerRank is not just for practicing coding, but it also offers free certifications that are recognized by top companies. In this video, I am going to explain what HackerRank certifications are, the types of certifications available, and how can you get them, and why they are important for your career. So watch till end because this can boost your resume and help you in interviews. So now in your mind there are a lot of questions like what are HackerRank certifications, in which domains it provides certifications, how to get certified, why should I do HackerRank certifications. So I will clarify all your doubts. And your first question is what are HackerRank certifications? I think 70% of students know HackerRank, but if you are new to HackerRank is a very popular coding platform where companies conduct online tests and where students practice coding. But apart from coding practice, it also provides certification. And these certifications are very helpful for your resume when you're going to an interview. So, and your second question is in which domains it provides certifications. So, once see here, so you can certified in front-end development, software engineer intern, and Angular, CSS, Go, JavaScript, Java, Node.js, and problem solving, Python, R, REST API, SQL. So these are n number of domains which are providing certifications. And your third question is how to get certified. So step 1, go to official HackerRank certifications page that I'll give the link in the description. And the step 2, sign up with your email or Google account or LinkedIn. And the step 3, choose the skill you want to certify. Step 4, click on take assessment. You will get a timed test with a coding question. And step 5, complete the test within the time limit. And step 6, if you pass, you will instantly get a digital certificate and a badge. And I'll give a pro tip. If you get only one attempt for certification. So practice some problems on HackerRank before starting the test. If you fail in this test, HackerRank doesn't allow you to take test immediately. After some period of time, you can re-attempt. So now you may ask, why are these certifications important? So let me give you some strong reasons. They are completely free, no payment needed. They are recognized by recruiters and companies test HackerRank. They add credibility to your resume and LinkedIn profile. They show that you have real practical skills, not just theoretical knowledge. During interview, you can proudly show that certifications as proof of your coding ability. So stand out from the crowd and enrich your profile by doing these certifications. So friends, these are HackerRank certifications that every student should complete before placements. Whether you are targeting TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro, or even product-based companies, this will definitely add value to your resume. Again, I'm saying that these certifications are recognized by recruiters and companies that trust HackerRank because HackerRank do not allow plagiarism. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Ramya Edutech for more videos. So I will share the link in description. So go and try your first certification today. So thank you for watching this video and comment down if you have any queries. So see you in the next video. Bye.